mindful eating. This is a fantastic method. It is based on Buddhist meditation. It has helped thousands of people to manage their chronic disease, their sleeping problems, their anxiety, chronic pain, depression. It helps you to pay attention, to eat properly, and lose weight in the process. Practicing mindful eating will help you to focus on how you eat, how you feel, how you taste the food, and the sensation that comes with it. It helps you to focus on why you're eating, what you're eating, when and where you're eating, your emotion before, during, and after eating. It also helps you to think about where the food came from, who planted the seed, who nurtured and grow them, who harvests them, who package them up, who transport them, who prepare and cook them. Mindful eating helps you to focus on what the food looks like, feels like, tastes like, and smells like. So we know what mindful eating is. And how do you do it? Simply put, you only eat when you're hungry and you stop before you feel your food. By doing that, you would avoid a lot of social overeating, right? When you're talking with your friends and families and you tend to not paying any attention of what you put into your mouth. Mindful eating is going to safeguard that. So we know what mindful eating is and how we're going to do it. What is the benefit? Lots of them. You're going to eat only when you're hungry and stop way before you feel full, to stop social overeating. Eating slowly to enjoy the food, whether you are eating and sit down with your family and develop the relationship with food and also with your loved ones, or you want to just eat on your own. Eating alone is a pleasant thing too. Find a nice corner or sit in front of the kitchen bench with a view. Don't do it in front of the TV. Don't do it with the mobile phone in your hand. And don't eat in front of your computer with a takeaway food still in a container. That is not the way to treat yourself. Then you will really taste the real food and enjoy the food. And you will soon starting to notice the unhealthy food isn't tasty. By practicing mindful eating, you are going to look forward to eat. And you will also notice how food affects your mood and your energy level during the day. You will be able to find out what food suits you best. So these are the good things about mindful eating. I hope you enjoy this and take a chance to really practicing mindful eating and see the benefit of you eating healthy food. Until next time, be well, be happy. This is Missy Grace.